Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will show you an EPS hot melting machine that is ready to be exported to Europe. The capacity of this EPS hot melting machine is 50 kilon per hour. Located above the EPS hot melting machine is an EPS silo used for holding EPS crushed waste from other sources. The material used for hanging the silo is steel. It only needs to be installed by connecting each pipe with screws. A manual valve is used to connect the silo and the EPS hot melting machine. In actual use, you can choose the feeding method by opening and closing the manual valve. In addition, the manual valve can also serve as a control for the feed speed. Located below the EPS hot melting machine is the extrusion port of the EPS hot melting machine. Its diameter is 50 mm. After opening the control OBEX door, two ceramic heating rings are connected to the extrusion port. In addition, there is a temperature measuring instrument connected to the ceramic heating ring. The thermometer is used to check the actual temperature of the extrusion head. It allows the operator to make fine adjustments to the temperature for different densities of EPS waste during actual production, in order to obtain smoother EPS ingots. Located above the extrusion head is a crusher blade. We are using a single shaft with a single blade. Because this EPS hot melting machine is the smallest capacity model we have, so it only has one set of crushing blades. The brands of our electrical components are Siemens and Schneider, in order to meet European CE standards. This is our side feeding window and observation window, as you can see from the video. Its area is not large, because the efficiency of the crusher machine in processing EPS waste and the efficiency of the extrusion heating head are almost the same. The speed of the crushing must match the speed of the extrusion. Located to the right of the observation window are the control buttons. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.